It's your boy Rico Styles back with another Don't Watch Me, Watch My YouTube. And right here, got another unboxing package, whatever the case is. They, put the sticker on the brand of the bag or whatnot. So I ended up buying these because they had a sale going on, and I was like, why not? I like to buy stuff when they have the sales going on for summer sales or whatever, since it's about to be fall or whatnot. So I'm like, all right, let me get some fits for now so I can wear next year. And yeah, let's get into it. I'll start off with this right here. So I ended up going with this little fit right here. It's pretty fly. This, I think those go with my other shoes. All right, so this right here, the shorts. And these socks. So this is about to be one fit right here. Starting to get cold out here, so I might not wear this year now unless I go to Vegas or something, or Cali. But yeah. And I think this is a pretty good match, even though this green's not the same green, but the purple goes, so that's a good thing. So yeah, these right here with these, I think that's what I bought these for these. But all right, I'm back. It took me a minute to find these shoes, so I could wear it with these, but I probably might need to get I could do it like this and just do a white shirt instead of just the whole fit. So I could rock these right here with this, but that's that on that. And one last shirt that I ended up buying is this right here. I thought this was fly. They got a black version of this right here. And I bought these for these right here, even though I thought I thought this color was going to match. Well, I kind of do, depending on the lighting. So I bought these for this right here. So see if y'all can see that. So yeah, and this is my small little pickup. I got some shoes coming in tomorrow, so I'll be doing a few more reviews. I've been, kind of MIA. Well, I just haven't found anything I wanted. Tomorrow I'm about to try to get those off-white Air Force Ones. Hopefully I get them. We will see. It's your boy Styles. I'm out.